Ah, staying warm. Their outdoor wood boiler.
Alright, well, I made a video a little while back on how to cut a wide board on a chop saw. I use a 12-inch DeWalt compound miter box on that one. This thing's only a 7 1/4, so here's what we're going to look at today. I'm going to cut this board, which is 12 1/8. Yeah, good luck finding a board that wide ever. One pass. Okay, now check this out. If I come all the way out on this, I'm only going to cut to there. How am I going to do this in one shot? Now, there's a trick to this, and a lot of people are going to tell me it's dangerous, but hey, this is a saw. They're dangerous to begin with. You need to learn how to use your tools. I'm also standing in snow. That makes it kind of dangerous, and it's snowing outside. So what we're going to do, here's my fancy little mark that I need to hit right here. Now, when you make your cut, you're going to cut through the board, pull the saw all the way forward. You're going to hold the guard up with this hand. You're going to keep your fingers way out of the way over here, and you're going to raise the board. Okay, now this is where it gets dangerous in people's mind. Now the key to this is that you keep the board against the fence. As long as you keep this board against the fence, it's not going to go anywhere. There's nowhere for this board to go. It can't kick, it can't go anywhere. Take your time, cut through the board, one shot, it's a piece of cake. Line up my mark here. Okay, ready? Now, as far as that'll go, pick the whole board up while holding tight to the fence. Ta-da! And there you go, folks. One pass. You're not flipping the piece around. You get one nice straight cut, and it's not dangerous. So whatever people tell you, oh, it's dangerous, they don't know how to use their tools. I mean, come on, a table saw is dangerous. You gotta just know what you're doing. Careful. Keep the guards on the saws. That's the other thing. Got to make sure. As long as you have guards on there and you keep your fingers out of the way, you're going to be fine. Keep it against the fence. That's your other important piece. Don't forget that. So this works with a variety of saws. I mean, like I said, this is the small slide compound. Did the other one with the 12-inch. That's not a slide compound. I can still cut a 12-inch wide board with it, even though normally it's only going to cut about the same thing. So give that one a whirl. It'll save you a bunch of trouble. You're not flipping pieces. It's nice and easy, and well, when you get good with your tools, that's what makes you a good woodworker.